Okay, hi students, good morning. Now the continuation part, integration, part 14. Previous CET questions which are very important. So yesterday, previous class, we have discussed, I think, up to 17. Integration of x cube log x dx. This is by parts u and v. U is the log x. Integration of x cube dx equal to integration of d by dx of log x is 1 by x, x cube integration 3x square dx. This get cancelled. Log x, x cube integration x power 4 by 4 minus 3 x integration x square by 2 plus c. Finish. Understood? Take LCM here. Next one, 18th question. In equal to integration of log x whole power n dx. This is the u and v is 1. In log x u log x whole power n integration of 1 dx minus d by dx of log x whole power n into log x whole power n minus 1 into log x derivative is 1 by x integration of 1 dx x get cancelled. So log x whole power n integration of 1 dx x n into log x whole power n minus 1 dx integration is equal to in minus 1. Yes, this is the in place of in minus 1 there. So in plus in minus 1 equal to x into log x whole power n plus c. This is the answer. 19th, integration of root of 1 plus sine of x by 4 dx. This is already we have discussed previous class yesterday. Is a previous CET only. There it was x by 2, now x by 4. Model. That's why previous questions very important. They may ask direct or model. Okay. It was question number 4. Root of 1 plus sine x by 2 was there. It was asked. Now x by 4. Same procedure. This is we can write 2 sine x by 8 cos x by 8. This is sine square x by 8 plus cos square x by 8 dx. Integration of root of sine x by 8 plus cos x by 8 whole square dx. Get cancelled here. Sine x by 8 integration minus cos x by 8 by 1 by 8 sine x by 8 by 1 by 8 plus c. 8 comes up. Next, integration of question number 20, integration of dx by x into x power 7 plus 1 dx. This is also we have discussed direct formula dx by x into x power n plus 1 dx equal to 1 by n log of x power n by x power n plus 1. So answer is 1 by 7, n is 7 log of x power 7 by x power 7 plus 1. This is. When you forget this formula, how to solve? Let x power 7 equal to t. This is asked, this is asked. Similar only. Previous sheet only. This is question number 6th. Question number 6th. Okay. So what I am telling, what so far we have discussed practice problems. That is whether you practice, which is useful for practice only. But previous questions, once if you practice, you will get lot of concept and the question will come from this model only. 21. integration of root x e power root x dx. Let root x equal to t, then x is equal to t square, dx equal to 2t dt. Root x is t, e power t, right? Dx is equal to 2t t square dt. uv, we can use shortcut t square, derivative 2t derivative is 2, next 0. E power integration e power t, e power t, e power t, plus minus plus. So 2 into t square e power t minus 2t e power t plus 2 into e power t plus c. Yes, substitute t square means x. This is the answer. 22. Integration of dx by x square plus 2x plus 2 dx by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square, a square f of x whole square plus a square f of x, derivative is here, f dash x 1 by a tan inverse of f of x by a, x plus 1 plus c. 23rd. Integration of sin 2x dx by 1 plus cos square x. This derivative is here, one derivative is 0, cos square x derivative is 2 cos x into minus sin x, means minus sin 2x multiply by minus. So minus log of 1 plus cos square x plus c. 24. E power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. I said this model is very important. E power x 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x, we can write 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This is take up integration of e power x 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 plus 2 get cancelled tan x by 2 dx. This derivative is here. So answer is e power x into tan x by 2 plus c. Next, 25 question. Integration 1 plus tan x by e power minus x cos x dx. This is take up e power x 1 plus tan x by cos x dx, e power x 1 by cos x sec x into tan x. See, which is in the form of e power x f of x plus f dash x, which is equal to e power x into sec x plus c. Next, question number 26. Integration x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole power 5 dx. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b 3ab square equal to x plus 1 whole cube by x plus 1 whole power 5 dx. 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx, which is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. Next, 27. Integration cosec x dx by cos square 1 plus log of tan x by 2. Secant square, this is we can write, listen here, cos square secant square 1 plus log of tan x by 2 into cosec x dx. This is equal to t. Then this derivative is here, okay, 1 plus log of tan x by 2 equal to t. One derivative is 0, 1 by tan x by 2 secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx equal to dt, right. This is 2 sin, this we can write sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. This is 1 by cos square x by 2. This get cancelled, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 means sin x. So dx by sin x equal to dt. Means 1 by sin x means cosec x dx equal to dt. Secant square t dt equal to tan t plus c. So tan of t value substitute 1 plus log of tan x by 2. Next, 28, integration of dx by x into root of x power 6 minus 16, right. This is, here we can write x cube whole square and 4 square. Let x cube equal to t, then 3x square dx equal to dt. Substitute here, dx is equal to dt by 3x square and x cube and root of t square minus 4 square. 1 by 3 dt by x cube means t into root of t square minus 4 square. This is equal to sec inverse t plus c. What is the t? X cube. So 1 by 3 sec inverse of x cube plus c by a means 2, t by a means by 4, x cube by 4. Next, question number 29, integration 1 by 1 plus cos 8x dx. 1 by 1 plus cos 8x equal to 2 cos square 4x, 1 by 2 secant square 4x dx, 1 by 2 tan of 4x by 4 plus c. So answer is tan of 4x by 8 plus c. Question number 30, e power x power 5 plus 5x power 4 plus 1 dx. E power x power 5 plus 1, x power 5 plus 1 plus 5x power 4 dx. This derivative is here. X power 5 plus 1 derivative is 5x power 4. This is the f of x and this is the f dash x. The answer is e power x into x power 5 plus 1 plus c. Next 31. Integration of x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 dx. This is we have done already. It is repeated question. This is x square minus 1, make it this form in numerator, minus 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 dx. You can see, verify the previous question, previous video, you can watch it. That is question number 3. This is, but there here minus 1 here plus 1, just model. This is question number 3, integration of x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Just change sign. Split this by this, 1 plus 2 by x square minus 1 dx. 1 integration x plus 2, 1 by x square minus a square formula, 1 by 2a log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Get cancelled. Question number 32, integration sin x into cos x dx by root of 1 minus sin power 4x. This is sin x into cos x dx by root of 1 minus sin square x whole square. This derivative is here 1 by 2 into 2. So 1 by 2 f dash x by root of a square minus f of x whole square equal to sin inverse of sin square x by 1 plus c. Sin square x by 1 plus c. Next 33, integration of sec x by sec x plus tan x. Right here 1 by cos x, 1 by cos x plus tan x by sin x, 1 plus sin x by cos x dx, get cancelled, 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. How to find this? 1 by 1 plus sin x integration, you know, rationalization. 1 minus sin x here by a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus sin square x is cos square x dx equal to secant square x minus sec x into tan x dx. Secant square x integration tan x, sec x in tan x integration sec x plus c. Next question number 34, integration f of x dx equal to g of x. Then integration of f of x into g of x dx. This is we have already discussed in the practice previous videos. Integration of f of x dx equal to g of x. Then integration of f of x by g of x dx. What is f of x equal to? Derivative of this. If you apply differentiation on both sides, we will get f of x here g dash x. So integration of f of x equal to g dash x into g of x dx is a whole power 1. F of x whole power n into this derivative is here. Formula f of x whole power n plus 1, g of x whole power 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 plus c. Integration of e power tan inverse x into 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Let tan inverse x equal to t. Then 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dt. Then e power t, take LCM here, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square plus x into dx. E power t, 1 plus x is tan t, tan square t plus tan t, and dx by 1 plus x square equal to dt. e power t 1 plus tan square t equal to secant square t plus tan t. So, the derivative is this is e power t tan t plus c. E power t, t is equal to tan inverse x of tan t x. Understood? Here e power t, e power tan inverse x, tan inverse of tan inverse x is x plus c. Question number 36, integration of cosec of x minus a into cosec x dx. This is the long question. It was asked. It's take more than 1 minute only, even 2 minutes also. By practicing only within 1 minute we can solve it. 1 by sine of x minus a into sine x. Here constant multiply here 1 by sine a. Minus a is there, sine a, here sine of minus a. Multiply by sine of minus a. Add x here, sine of x minus a plus x minus x. Add and subtract. Denominator is same. So, minus 1 by sine a, integration of sine a minus b, sine of x minus a into cos x minus cos of x minus a into sin x divided by sine of x minus a into sin x dx. So, minus 1 by sin a, this by get cancelled, cos x by sin x is cot x, and this get cancelled, cot of x minus a. Cot x integration is minus 1 by sin a, cot x integration is log of sin x minus log of sin of x minus a. Log m minus log n equal log of m by n, log of sin x by sin of x minus a minus 1 by sin minus a. Next, integration of root x by x into x plus 1 dx equal to k into tan inverse of m. So, what is the k comma m value? Let x is equal to t square, x is equal to t square. Right. Let x is equal to t square, then dx is equal to 2t into dt, root x is t, dx is 2t dt by t square into t square plus 1. This t square get cancelled, 2 into dt by t square plus 1, which is equal to tan inverse of t, which is equal to tan inverse of t. T is root x, equating with this. What is k? 2. What is m? Root x. So, k comma m equal to 2 comma root x, that is the option. 39. Integration of e power x sin x plus cos x by 1 minus sin square x. This is you can solve easily. E power x, this is equal to cos square x, sin x by cos square x is sec x into tan x, plus cos x by cos square x is sec x dx. This derivative is here e power x into sec x plus c. integration of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square dx, which is equal to 2 tan inverse x dx. 2 tan inverse x dx by parts. 2 into u is tan inverse x, v is 1. So, tan inverse x, integration of 1 dx is x, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of 1 dx is x dx, 1 by 2, 2. So, 2 into x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square plus c. Next, integration of x minus 1 e power x by x plus 1 whole cube dx. This is compulsory model. This is e power x. You can solve easy. This is make here x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube dx. E power x 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube dx. This derivative is here, so answer is e power x into 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus c. Integration of cos power n minus 1x by sin power n plus 1x dx equals cos power n minus 1x by sin power n minus 1x into 1 by sin square x dx, which is equal to cot power n minus 1x and cosec square x dx. This derivative is here. So, f of x whole power n into f dash x dx multiplied by minus cot x derivative is minus cosec square x. Then f of x whole power n plus 1 cot x whole power n plus 1 n by n plus c. Next question 43 repeated. Yes. Next one, integration of 3x minus 1 cos x plus 1 minus 2x sin x dx. This is easy. You can use shortcut method or uv. This is u, this is v, this is u, this is v. Okay, just I am going to solving this. 3x minus 1 derivative is 3. Next 0. E cos x integration sin x. Sin x integration minus cos x multiply plus and minus, same thing here. 1 minus 2x derivative is minus 2, then sin x integration minus cos x integration is sin x multiply plus and minus, add it and simplify. Question number 45, integration of sin 2x dx by sin square x plus 2 cos square x. Sin 2x, here this we can write cos square x plus cos square x. Yes, 2 cos square x equal cos square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1 plus cos square x. Finish. This derivative is here. One derivative is 0, cos square x derivative is 2 cos x into minus sin x minus sin 2x. So, minus log of 1 plus cos square x plus c.